Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need transmission work, tire repair, or a tune-up. At Rosen Honda, our premier service and collision center helps ensure your vehicle is taken care of the right way the first time. And at Rosen dealerships, you get a free car wash with every service visit, as well as a free shuttle to local shops and attractions. And if you want to avoid the wait, Rosen has express service available with no appointment. Visit us at rosenrosen.com, where you can get a quick quote, learn about our price match guarantee, and view our inventory of parts and accessories, and read more about the Rosen Automotive family, where great cars and great people come together. Call, click, or come in for more information. Rosen Honda is located at 7000 Grand Avenue in Gurnee, Illinois.
Rosen